everybody, welcome to the Thursday Craft Club. Today the story I want to share with you is not a folk tale, but it is a cute story and it's a seek and find. Where Does Joe Go? By Tracy Campbell Pearson. So there is Joe's business. It says Joe's Snack Bar. Always makes me think of the seashore. And there's Joe's kitty cat and Joe's apron. It says Joe, opening soon, snack bar. Every year when winter is over and spring is finally here, Joe comes back to town. There's Joe, and there's his kitty cat. So every page you need to look for Joe and his kitty cat. Throughout the summer, crowds gather at Joe's to eat hot dogs, creamies, and french fries. Okay, can you find Joe? It's right there. But after fall arrives, Joe disappears again, and all winter long everyone wonders, where does Joe go? It says, Joe's, thank you, closed for the season. He's gone to the moon, said Tiny June. You think he's gone to the moon? Do you see his kitty cat? Look real hard. Oh, maybe the beach, said old Mr. Leach. Do you see him? There he is. And right next to him is the kitty cat. I think he's on a cruise, said the woman buying shoes. You see his umbrella, Joe, the cat. He's having tea with the Queen, whispered Molly McLean. Can you find him? How about the cat? Right there's the cat. He's digging for bones, said Oliver Jones. All right, look around. There he is. And what about his friend the cat? You looking? Check up around the tent. In Okie Finokie, screamed Mr. Bokey. Hey, he's on an airboat. So's the cat. They're feeding hot dogs to the alligators. He's in the city, suggested Kitty. Okay. He's dancing the tango, said Mrs. Fandango. There he is. Oh, and look at the cat. He's off to the pyramids, yelled all of the bitty kids. He's on a safari, said Charlie Macari. He's got a food truck. The cat's on top. Then spring comes again and the children call out, Joe, where have you been? But Joe won't tell a soul. So he gets his place opened up and the kitty cat, and where do you think he's been? All right, everybody. This is my Christmas in July story, and in your bag you will find a winter or a Christmas craft, and the instructions will be in the bag. So I hope you have a good time. Don't forget, come get your bags today if you haven't gotten them already, and I'll see you next week. Bye.